Hello everyone, I'm Poornima and welcome to Amma's Healthy Recipes. The recipe for the day is a soft ragi dosa. Ragi or finger millet has lots of health benefits. It is loaded with calcium, which helps in maintaining bone health. It is also a rich source of iron, which helps in battling anemia. It has low glycemic index, which helps in controlling diabetes. It is also a natural source of vitamin D. And the presence of high fiber content in ragi helps in weight loss. Now let's get into the recipe. Soft ragi dosa is ready. If you like this video, subscribe, comment, like and share. See you soon with a healthy recipe. Bye.